What if I told you that retiring early with a portfolio that pays you forever is actually possible, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing right now? No inheritance, no lucky investment, no get-rich-quick scheme. Just a simple, proven strategy that anyone can follow starting today. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step plan to retire early using index funds. What to buy, how much to invest, how long it takes, and what the numbers actually look like in real life. This is the video I wish someone had shown me before I wasted years doing nothing with my money. Welcome to Capital Secrets, where we reveal what the financial world never taught you. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Let's start with the big question. Is retiring early on index funds actually realistic? The answer is yes, but only if you understand three things clearly. 1. What index funds actually are and why they work. 2. A simple but powerful mathematical concept called compound interest. And 3. A proven retirement strategy called the 4% rule. Once you understand all three, the path becomes completely clear. Let's go through each one. First, what are index funds and why do they work for retirement? An index fund is a single investment that automatically owns hundreds of companies at once. The most famous example, an S&P 500 index fund, gives you ownership in 500 of the biggest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, all in one fund. You don't need to pick stocks, you don't need to follow the news every day. You don't need to make any decisions at all. You simply buy and hold. Here's why this works so powerfully for retirement. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned an average of around 8 to 10% per year over the long term. Some years it goes up 25%, some years it drops 30%, but averaged out over decades, the trend has always been upward. And those consistent returns compounded over time create something extraordinary. Which brings us to the most powerful concept in all of personal finance, compound interest. Here's how it works in the simplest possible way. You invest $1,000. It earns 8% this year. Now you have $1,080. Next year, you earn 8% on $1,080, not just on your original $1,000. That extra $80 is now earning money too. Every single year, your returns earn returns. Your money multiplies on top of itself, quietly, automatically, without you doing anything. This is what Albert Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. And here's where it gets truly exciting. Let's say you invest just $300 per month into an index fund starting today. At an average return of 8% per year, here's what happens. After 10 years, you have around $55,000. After 20 years, you have around $176,000. After 30 years, you have around $440,000. But here's what most people miss. If you can invest $500 per month instead of $300, those numbers change dramatically. After 10 years, around $91,000. After 20 years, around $294,000. After 30 years, around $734,000. And if you start earlier or increase your contributions as your income grows, you can reach retirement level wealth even faster. The math is not magic, it's just time working in your favor. Now let's talk about the retirement target. How much do you actually need to retire? This is where most people get completely overwhelmed. They think retirement requires millions and millions of dollars, completely out of reach. But there's a simple framework used by financial researchers that changes everything. It's called the 4% rule. Here's how it works. Studies show that if you withdraw just 4% of your portfolio every year in retirement, your money is very likely to last 30 years or more, even accounting for bad market years. So to figure out your retirement number, you simply ask one question. How much money do I need to live on per year? Let's say you need $40,000 per year to live comfortably. Divide $40,000 by 0.04 and your retirement target is $1 million. Need $30,000 per year? Your target is $750,000. Need $50,000 per year? Your target is $1,250,000. Suddenly, retirement has a real number, a target you can actually aim at. Now let's build the actual plan. Step 1. Open an investment account. To invest in index funds, you need a brokerage account. Platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab are excellent choices for beginners. They offer low-cost index funds with minimal fees. If your employer offers a 401k, start there first, especially if they offer any matching contribution. That matching is essentially free money, and you should never leave it on the table. If you're self-employed or your employer doesn't offer matching, open an IRA, an individual retirement account. It gives you significant tax advantages that accelerate your wealth building. Step 2, choose your index fund. For most beginners, a simple S&P 500 index fund is the perfect starting point. Look for funds with the lowest possible expense ratio, the annual fee. The best ones charge as little as 0.03% per year. If you want even broader diversification, a total world index fund gives you exposure to companies across the entire globe, not just America. Step 3, decide how much to invest monthly. Here's a simple starting framework. If you earn $2,000 per month, try to invest at least $200. That's 10%. If you earn $3,000 per month, try to invest at least $300. If you earn $5,000 per month, try to invest at least $500. Start with whatever you can. Even $50 per month is infinitely better than nothing, and increase your contribution every time your income grows. Step 4, automate everything. Set up automatic monthly contributions so the money moves from your account to your index fund without you having to think about it. This is the most important step of all, because the biggest enemy of long-term investing is not market crashes, it's human emotion, the temptation to stop investing when things feel scary, the temptation to spend the money instead. Automation removes emotion from the equation entirely. Step 5, never stop, never panic. The market will crash multiple times during your investing journey. It will feel terrifying. The news will say it's different this time, that everything is falling apart. Do nothing. Every single market crash in history has eventually recovered, and every investor who stayed calm and kept contributing came out wealthier on the other side. Now let's look at what early retirement actually looks like with real numbers. Let's take two people, both starting from zero, both investing in a simple S&P 500 index fund. Person A invests $300 per month starting at age 25. They never increase their contributions. At 8% average annual return, by age 55, they have approximately $440,000. Not quite retirement level, but getting close. Person B invests $500 per month starting at age 25 and increases their contribution by just $50 every year as their income grows. By age 45, just 20 years later, they have over $400,000. By age 50, over $700,000. Early retirement becomes very real. The difference between these two people is not luck. It's not a higher salary, it's just consistency and slightly higher contributions over time. So here's your complete action plan, starting today, starting from zero. Open a brokerage account or maximize your employer 401k first. Choose a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. Invest a fixed amount every single month, even if it's just $50 to start. Automate the contributions so you never have to think about it. Increase your monthly investment every time your income grows. Never sell during a market crash, and let time do the rest. That's it. No complexity, no stock picking, no market timing. Just a simple system executed consistently over a long enough period of time. The people who retire early aren't smarter than you. They didn't get lucky. They just started and they never stopped. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this video gave you a clear path forward, hit the like button. It genuinely helps Capital Secrets reach more people who need this. Subscribe so you never miss a video. Every week we break down exactly the financial knowledge that most people spend years trying to find. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.